You're so thirsty. Always. Just drinking up. So, I don't know if anyone else out there in the world has this issue, but like, whenever I'm putting diesel in my lovely Duramax here, if it goes too fast, like if I have the handle on like full blast, it like will like the foam or whatever will back up and will like puke out the top, and I end up losing like a gallon of diesel. So I had to start like I figured out my gas cap was the perfect size for the perfect speed for the perfect fill up. So if you have that issue, there's the moment of truth. Am I gonna be able to do it? Ha, got it. Alright, what is up guys? So just to go back to the whole fueling up thing, I have noticed since I put the twin turbo kit on my truck that I've been getting better fuel mileage, even though it's sucking more air. I had really big tunes on this truck before with the single turbo, the stock one, and it was extremely smoky, and I got like 11 miles to the gallon. It was terrible. I've been running my twin turbos for probably 6 or 7 months now, on a stock bottom end still, let me mind you. And I pretty much averaged like 16 miles to the gallon, when before I was averaging like 11 to 12, which I know 16 doesn't sound that good, but I basically am the world's douchiest driver, and I drive very, not aggressively towards other people, but I just always have my foot in it because I like to go fast. That's why I built this truck. But the mileage is still staying up about like 16, sometimes 16.5, depends. So I'm pretty happy about that. So that's good. So tonight I actually have to like pack my bags and get ready because I'm going home tomorrow night. I have to work, and then I'm flying out tomorrow at 10, and I will be home to do some shenanigans with my family and friends back home. So pretty pumped, can't wait. A lot going on. Don't really have anything to do car wise. Car's pretty much set right now. We just filled the tank, and that's how it's gonna stay, so that way when I get back I'm happy because I have a full tank. It's always a great feeling. So I have everything about packed, ready to go. It's kind of a short video today, just saying that I'm heading home, so we're not going to be really doing any more truck stuff, but I do have some stuff planned for when we get home. I leave tomorrow night pretty late, so I'm probably going to post this up tonight and just have it ready for the morning, and we'll catch you guys when I take off. if you want to see what's coming up next while I'm home, we do have some actual truck stuff and some other things going on while I'm home with my wife's truck, so we're going to be doing that. So there'll be content coming at you. So go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.